It is the last night of December in a quiet European city where cold air fills the streets and lights glow softly in shop windows. Fireworks are prepared, but the city is still holding its breath before midnight. Ethan, traveling alone for the holidays, finds himself in a small cafe that stays open until the new year begins. There, he meets a woman named Clara, a local pianist who is waiting for midnight for reasons deeper than celebration.
I didn't think this cafe would still be open, and honestly, I'm relieved because the cold outside is biting hard.
I'm laughing softly because everyone else wanted parties, but I wanted quiet and warm light.
That makes two of us, I guess, since loud crowds make me nervous on nights like this.
Nights like this carry too many expectations, don't they?
Yeah, I feel that pressure in my chest, like I'm supposed to feel hopeful even if I'm not sure how.
I'm stirring my tea slowly because hope doesn't always arrive on time.
That's a beautiful way to say it, and it makes me smile a little.
You're not from here, are you?
No, my accent gives me away every time, and I laugh awkwardly about it.
I like it. It sounds like movement, like someone passing through.
Passing through feels accurate, especially tonight.
Are you running from something or toward something?
I pause when you ask that because I honestly don't know.
That's okay. Uncertainty fits this night perfectly.
You sound like someone who's thought about this a lot.
I have. My voice softens because this year took something from me.
I'm sorry, and I mean that sincerely.
Thank you. I feel it in your tone.
So why come here instead of being with friends?
Because this cafe lets me breathe without pretending I'm fine.
I exhale deeply because that's exactly why I came in.
Funny how strangers find each other when the year is ending.
Maybe endings make people honest.
Or maybe beginnings invite confession.
Do you believe a new year actually changes anything?
I hesitate, then smile sadly. It changes us only if we let it.
That sounds hopeful, even if it's cautious.
Cautious hope is still hope.
I like that, and I feel a little warmer hearing it.
What are you leaving behind tonight?
Fear, I hope, or at least some of it.
That's a brave wish.
It doesn't feel brave, it feels necessary.
Necessary things often look like courage from the outside.
You make this night feel lighter already.
I'm glad because I was afraid it would feel heavy forever.
Midnight is getting closer. I can feel it.
So can I. My heart is beating faster now.
Do you always spend New Year's Eve here?
No, this is the first time, and my voice trembles just a little admitting that.
First times on nights like this feel risky.
They do, but staying home felt worse.
Was home too quiet?
Too full of memories.
I nod slowly because I understand that more than I want to.
I lost someone this year, and the calendar keeps reminding me.
I'm really sorry, and I mean it with my whole chest.
Thank you. Saying it out loud helps more than I expected.
Did music help at all?
Sometimes, but sometimes it made the silence louder afterward.
That's a strange balance.
Life feels like that now, always balancing between holding on and letting go.
I feel emotional hearing you say that.
Me too. My eyes sting a little, but I'm not afraid of it.
You seem strong.
I'm tired, not strong, but tired people learn resilience.
That's powerful, and I smile softly.
What about you? What did this year take from you?
Confidence, maybe, and certainty about where I belong.
Belonging is tricky, especially at the end of a year.
Everyone else seems to know where to go, who to be with.
Appearances lie a lot tonight.
That makes me feel less alone.
You're not alone, at least not at this table.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome, and I mean it.
Do you have any traditions for midnight?
I usually play a soft piece on the piano, just for myself.
That sounds peaceful.
It used to be shared, now it's private.
Maybe tonight it can be something new.
Like what?
Like listening instead of playing.
I smile at that idea. It feels gentle.
Gentle feels right tonight.
The clock is loud, have you noticed?
Yes, every second feels heavier.
It's like the year doesn't want to let go.
Or like it wants to be remembered.
I'm ready to remember without staying trapped.
That sounds like healing.
Healing is slow, but tonight feels like a step.
I'm honored to share that step with you.
Me too, truly.
10 minutes left. Does that make you nervous?
A little. My hands are cold even inside.
I laughed lightly because my hands are shaking too.
Maybe it's excitement hiding his fear.
Or fear pretending to be excitement.
Either way, it means we're alive.
That's a comforting thought.
When midnight comes, what will you wish for?
I close my eyes briefly, and I think clarity.
That's a good wish. Not flashy, but honest.
What about you?
I wish for peace without guilt.
That hits deep.
I want to smile again without feeling like I'm forgetting.
I believe that's possible.
Hearing you say that helps more than you know.
Fireworks are starting early outside.
I hear them and my heart jumps.
Do loud sounds bother you?
Not tonight. Tonight they feel like permission.
Permission for what?
Permission to move forward.
I like that idea a lot.
5 minutes.
I feel strangely calm now.
Me too. Like the year already loosened its grip.
Thank you for talking with me tonight.
Thank you for listening without trying to fix anything.
Sometimes listening is all we need.
The countdown will start soon.
I'm ready.
Me too, even if I'm scared.
Being scared together helps.
It really does.
3 minutes.
My heart is racing.
Mine too, but it feels hopeful now.
I never expected that tonight.
Neither did I.
1 minute.
Here we go.
Whatever comes next, thank you for this moment.
Thank you for making the year end kindly.
10, 9,
I'm smiling.
3, 2.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Ethan.
It feels different now, doesn't it?
Yes, lighter, like a quiet reset.
I didn't expect that from such a simple moment.
Simple moments often carry the most change.
Are you glad you came here?
Very. My smile feels real now.
I'm glad too. This night could have been lonely.
Instead, it became meaningful.
What will you do tomorrow?
Wake up, make coffee, maybe play the piano again.
That sounds peaceful.
And you?
I think I'll stop running for a while.
That sounds like a good beginning.
Funny how a year can begin with stillness.
Stillness is underrated.
I'll remember this cafe.
I'll remember this conversation.
Maybe the year starts with memory, not forgetting.
And with permission to keep going.
I'm really glad we met tonight.
Me too, Ethan.
Take care in this new year.
You too, and don't lose that openness.
I'll try.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and Happy New Year again.